Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if you are new here watching any of my video for the first time, please don't forget to hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial, this is the hair I'll be using. It's called Lush extension, and this is the hair after picking it. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. First thing, you need to achieve the hair on a clean hair. So now we are done with the washing. Can you just see guys? So in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do feeding braid. If you are a beginner and you are trying to know how to do feeding braid, just keep watching, do not skip. So after that, after the washing, you go ahead and you section the hair into two equal parts. Please note this: if you're a beginner and you have issue with your sectioning part, just go ahead and you section the hair into two equal parts, starting from the nose, then you section it all the way to the back. So guys, after that, you secure one part, then you begin to work on the other side. Please don't forget to apply your oil, your shea butter to moisturize the scalp. So guys, after when you are done with the sectioning parts, as in section it into two equal parts, then you begin to braid the hair. As you can see what I'm actually doing here right now. So you begin to braid the hair. You start with the natural hair first. I keep saying it. If you're an OG, you guys will definitely understand that I always tell you guys to start with the natural hair first before adding any extension. So you start with the natural hair first before adding the extension. Can you see guys? And that's what I'm doing here. So you braid the hair like just like 2 inches, then you begin to add your extension. Can you see guys? So this is what we call feeding braid. Feeding braid, just keep watching guys. You guys will love the outcome. And if you have issue with your feeding braid, so guys, next time I'll show you the latest method of doing the feed in braid. So guys, keep watching. And if you guys love this video, if this video is helpful, if the tutorial is helpful, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, when you are done with the first part, you go ahead and you repeat the same method on the other side. And this is the last one here that I want to show you guys. Can you see guys? So you braid with the natural hair first before adding extension. So guys, when you are done braiding it, you just go ahead and you trim the hair very well. As you can see, this my client's hair is she tints the hair already, so we decide to use the similar color of the extension so that the hair will blend very well. Can you see guys? So this particular feeding braid, we use 1 pack of extension. If you want it longer, you can use more than, but this particular one that I'm doing here, we use just 1 extension. Can you see guys? Please don't make it too tight to, yeah, you keep braiding it. As you're braiding it, you keep adding the extension if necessary. Can you see? Just make sure you hold it firm, not too tight. Yeah. Share this video to your friends and family. Like I said earlier, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. If the video is helpful, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. Can you see guys? Now I'm done with the feeding braid. You just go ahead and you trim the hair very well, then you put it inside hot water. After that, you apply your washing, your mousse, Then you control the edges if necessary. This is the final look of the fading braid. Can you see, guys? Thank you so much, guys, for your support, for your love. I will see you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please, guys, watch ads. That's the only way you appreciate your girl. Thank you. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.